For centuries, the seizure of African lands by Europeans had been accompanied by the barbaric looting of their cultural artifacts. Being inveterate racists, the colonizers treated the inhabitants of the continent despairingly. However, they were well aware of the rich history of African civilizations. Egypt suffered most. The looters devastated the country, taking away treasures of the world cultural heritage. They replenished European museums and private collections. The collection of the Paris Louvre contains more than 50,000 exhibits stolen from Egypt. The British Museum houses more than 60,000 of those. In total, more than 500,000 artifacts were seized during the colonial era. The peoples of Africa lost from 80 to 90% of their works of art. Having freed themselves from oppression, African countries demanded to return what had been stolen from them. In 2018, a UN General Assembly resolution called on the Western states to return the looted cultural possessions. However, these rightful calls from the world community are being ignored in Europe.